11 survival gear and gadgets that last forever. When it comes to survival gear, quality is everything. In the wild, you need tools and gadgets that can stand the test of time, endure the harshest conditions, and remain reliable in any situation. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a prepper, or someone who simply loves durable gear, these items are designed to last a lifetime. From tools that can handle the toughest jobs to gadgets that simplify life in the wilderness, here's a collection of survival essentials that redefine reliability. UMX Gauntlet 2. The UMX Gauntlet 2 is not just a survival glove. It's a wearable fortress. Designed with reinforced materials, this glove offers unparalleled protection for your hands, while maintaining flexibility for intricate tasks. Whether you're chopping wood, handling rough terrain, or braving extreme weather conditions, the Gauntlet 2 shields your hands from cuts, abrasions, and even fire. It features high-grade Kevlar layers and puncture-resistant padding, making it an essential for outdoor survival. Beyond its durability, the UMX Gauntlet 2 integrates functional versatility. The fingertips are touchscreen compatible, allowing you to operate devices without removing the glove, and the knuckles are reinforced with impact-resistant plating for added safety. Its ergonomic design ensures a snug fit, so you don't lose dexterity, even during the most challenging tasks. This is a glove built to outlast your wildest adventures. Winkler Pack Axe. The Winkler Pack Axe is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and functionality. Forged from high-carbon steel, this axe is designed to endure years of heavy use without losing its edge. Whether you're splitting logs for a fire, building a shelter, or defending yourself in the wild, the Pack Axe is a reliable companion. Its compact size ensures it's easy to carry, yet its weight and balance deliver impressive chopping power. What sets this axe apart is its attention to detail. The handle, crafted from premium hardwood, offers a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet conditions. The blade features a specialized coating to resist rust and wear, ensuring longevity. Additionally, its multifunctional design includes a hammerhead for driving stakes and crushing tough materials, making it an indispensable tool for any survivalist. Grail Water Purifier. Access to clean drinking water is non-negotiable in survival situations, and the Grail Water Purifier makes it effortless. This innovative device combines the functions of a water bottle and a purification system, allowing you to transform even the murkiest water into safe, drinkable hydration. With its advanced filtration technology, the Grail removes bacteria, viruses, and heavy metals in seconds, ensuring you stay healthy no matter where you are. Durability is another standout feature. Built with military-grade materials, the Grail is designed to withstand drops, impacts, and extreme conditions. The filter itself has an impressive lifespan, capable of purifying hundreds of liters before needing replacement. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for carrying in your pack, ensuring you never run out of clean water, even in the harshest environments. Sharple Knife Sharpener. A dull blade is as good as useless in a survival situation, and the Sharple Knife Sharpener ensures your tools stay razor sharp. This compact yet powerful sharpener features multiple sharpening surfaces, including a tungsten carbide slot for quick fixes and a ceramic rod for fine honing. Whether you're maintaining knives, axes, or scissors, the Sharple has you covered. Its rugged design is built for the outdoors, with a weather-resistant casing that protects it from the elements. The Sharple also includes a fire starter rod and an emergency whistle, making it a multifunctional survival tool. With its lightweight construction and ease of use, this sharpener is an essential addition to any survival kit, ensuring your cutting tools are always ready for action. Bull-Tack Shotgun. The Bull-Tack Shotgun is a powerhouse of survival weaponry. Engineered for reliability and performance, This shotgun features a rugged design that can handle the toughest conditions. Its high-capacity magazine ensures you're prepared for both hunting and self-defense scenarios, while its lightweight frame makes it easy to carry in the field. What truly sets the bull tack apart is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of ammunition, from birdshot to slugs, allowing you to adapt to different situations. The shotgun's advanced recoil management system ensures smooth operation and reduced fatigue, even during extended use. This is a weapon you can count on when the stakes are high. Rhino Companion B2. The Rhino Companion B2 is the ultimate survival flashlight, combining brightness, durability, and multifunctionality. Its ultra-bright LED can illuminate vast areas, making it invaluable for navigating dark terrains or signaling for help. With multiple lighting modes, including strobe and SOS, this flashlight is equipped for any emergency. Constructed with aircraft-grade aluminum, the Companion B2 is both lightweight and indestructible. It's waterproof, impact-resistant, and features a rechargeable battery that lasts for days on a single charge. Additionally, the flashlight includes a built-in power bank, allowing you to charge other devices in the wild. This is more than a flashlight, it's a lifeline. Biolite Headlamp 800 Pro. The Biolite Headlamp 800 Pro is a game-changer for hands-free illumination. With an adjustable strap and ergonomic design, this headlamp offers maximum comfort during prolonged use. Its 800 lumen output is powerful enough to light up even the darkest trails, and its rechargeable battery ensures you're never left in the dark. Durability is a hallmark of the 800 Pro. It's water-resistant and designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure. The headlamp also features multiple beam settings, including flood and spot modes, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different environments. This is the perfect tool for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness. Forest Tool Max Toolkit. The Forest Tool Max Toolkit is a survivalist's dream, offering an all-in-one solution for various tasks. This versatile toolkit includes a hatchet, saw, hammer, and more, all integrated into a compact and durable package. Designed for efficiency, it eliminates the need to carry multiple heavy tools. Built with high-quality steel and reinforced handles, the Forest Tool Max is virtually indestructible. Its modular design allows for easy assembly and storage, making it a practical choice for both seasoned adventurers and casual campers. Whether you're building a shelter or preparing firewood, this toolkit is ready to handle it all. Universal 40 Credit Card Multi-Tool. The Universal 40 Credit Card Multi-Tool is a marvel of engineering, packing 40 functions into a device the size of a credit card. From screwdrivers and wrenches to bottle openers and cutting edges, this multi-tool is designed to tackle everyday challenges and survival scenarios alike. Made from hardened stainless steel, the multi-tool is resistant to bending, breaking, and corrosion. Its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly into your wallet, ensuring it's always within reach. This is the ultimate tool for those who value preparedness and efficiency, offering a lifetime of utility in a minimalist package. Camillis Carnivore X. Camillis Carnivore X18 Machete is engineered for a variety of tasks, including cutting, digging, sawing, chiseling, and gutting with unparalleled efficiency. Its versatile design makes it a reliable tool for various outdoor activities. The 12th blade of this hunting machete features a titanium bonding treatment, rendering it up to 3 times harder than untreated steel. This ensures exceptional durability and edge retention, even after prolonged use in rugged environments. Camping machete features a removable trimming knife with its dedicated nylon sheath. This provides added functionality for precise cutting tasks and everyday use, ensuring you can tackle a variety of cutting challenges with ease. Carnivore X comes complete with a robust ballistic nylon sheath. This facilitates hassle-free portability during outdoor adventures and ensures your hiking machete remains accessible and well protected wherever your outdoor pursuits take you. Whether it's hunting, camping, hiking, or exploring, the Camillis machete is well suited for a range of outdoor activities. Its rugged construction and comprehensive design make it an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Leatherman Free K2. The Leatherman Free K2 is the pinnacle of multi-tool design, combining the functionality of a knife with multiple tools, including a pry tool, package opener, and screwdrivers. The K2 is a compact powerhouse. Its one-handed operation and magnetic locking system ensure ease of use and safety. Built to last, the Free K2 is crafted from high-grade stainless steel, making it resistant to rust and wear. Its slim profile and lightweight design make it easy to carry, whether in your pocket or on a lanyard. This multi-tool is perfect for anyone who values practicality and durability in their gear.